Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and it always makes me feel good when people try some of my things on my video and this person thinks he did something wrong because he's getting this. Well, the only thing he did wrong, and I love it, he's got his nudge factor set for right amount. Now you need to set your duplicate distance to 0. But what is happening, there is lines that are making up these objects. You can see the lines. You can see the black outlines. So if we just take everything and right-click null outline and then put this back, your objective is met. So you didn't do anything wrong. You did everything right, except for those lines. Because just when you have a line, I'm guessing, when you do the intersect tool, it's intersecting that line and giving you that cross-section line. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.